So, today I'm gonna be sorting all my fidgets in this, like, drawer here. I got some little, like, containers to put some of, like, the little ones. The first one will be, all of my homemades. So, yeah. There we go. Don't have many, but I got all my balloon stress balls. I got this thing. My sister actually created from a long time ago when we started fidgets. And I actually think it's pretty cool. I just don't have any tape. But once I find the tape, I'll probably tape it. Then I got this thing. You might all thinking me like it's a roll thing, but listen. You can also like roll the beads, which is actually kind of fun. You can, like, do whatever you want with it. And then I have my water bottle stress balls. I have this one. That's like a water timer kind of. Here, maybe I can. There. See, it might have been on one of my videos. Maybe, I don't really know. And then this is my other one. Has like little tiny beads in them at the bottom. You can maybe see them. You see those little beads flying around? Yeah. But yeah. I'm gonna put it back in. I'll probably make more, maybe in the next video. So I did make a video of how to make like a color changing water needle, but it said it didn't like go in, or like it wasn't able to like go to YouTube, or like I don't really know. But I'll probably do another tutorial how to make these. Like it said I was unable to post. So I'll do another tutorial how to make these things. But yeah. It's like a coating needle, but it's just like water. But yeah, sorry for talking a long time just in one drawer, but the next one. This one will probably be all my squishies and slime. So yeah, I decided to add a few more things. But yeah, this one will just be the rest of my stuff, like randoms and stuff like that. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. I just love it. Love it as well. Also love this one. Sorry it was short, but yeah. This was all just showing how I sort my fidgets. But yeah. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you know when I post, new videos, and you're probably early. Also go check out my sister channel. Like I said, Trisha Fry. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. You know when she posts this too. Maybe if you get her to maybe like 20 likes. 20 subscribers. Also 20 likes if you'd like that too. Also you could you can also give me 20 likes and 20 subscribers just like her, because that would really make us happy. I don't know why I said like give me, I didn't mean like that, but like get us both to like 20 likes and 20 views and 20 subscribers. Yeah. This video is probably a little weird by my talking and speech and words, I don't know. But, yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and bye, guys.